Another 500,000 home? Yes, tama po kayo na narinig. Another one. So this house can be yours for only 500,000 down payment. So ano pang hintayin natin? Tara! I am RV, your host, and we're here inside Monteverde Royal Executive Village in Taytay, Rizal. So this house stands on a 156 square meter lot area with the floor area of 143. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ating covered car garage. One car garage po ito, pero it can also fit maybe if you have motorcycle. Yan, so kung may motor po kayo, one car, kasyang-kasya. Pero wag po kayong mag-alala, halos wala pa po kayong kapitbahay sa bahay na to. And it's overlooking Metro Manila, guys. Makikita niyo po yan. So, here is our pathway coming from the car garage. Pathway po ito papunta sa ating main door on your right. Yan, pero before heading inside, yan, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung front lawn natin or meron tayong front garden. Actually, ang maganda sa bahay na to, napakarami pong open spaces. So, right now it's 10 AM, pero napakaganda po ng simoy ng hangin. Actually, nasa Taytay lang kayo, pero parang semi-Tagaytay feels na po. So, tara po, check nyo. Meron na po tayong mga puno dito at saka halaman, care of the seller. And then this one, this pathway, goes to the service area. Mamaya na po natin silipin yan. Pero at least, nakita nyo po na napakaluwag po ng ating property for this video. This is our pedestrian gate. Meron tayong pathway papunta sa ating main door. We have 4 steps going to our main door. Yan. Welcome to our amazing house. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. So we're right here in our living area or receiving area kasi meron din tayong family area on the 2nd floor. So pwede po tayo maglagay ng, most likely this is the couch. Ay hindi, sorry. My bad. This is the couch. And then, here, palit tayo. Dito po natin ilalagay ang ating television. Kung gusto nyo po mag-TV dito, pero pwede rin naman siyang optional. Kasi mamaya makikita nyo po, there's another very good area for you to spend quality time with your family on the 2nd floor. Pero yan, you can have TV here, you can have TV on the 2nd floor. And then, we have sliding glass windows na nakaka-cover ng ating living area dito sa ground floor. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo po, ang ganda nung pasok ng ilaw or ng natural light sa loob ng bahay. And then we have a sliding glass door dito sa tapat ng ating dining area. Yan, actually ko lang yun ha. Hindi ko na po ulitin. Ayan. So, meron din tayong decorative lighting na for the living area and then for the dining area dito po. Kasya po dito kahit mga 6-seater, medyo stretch na yung 8-seater pero kasya pa rin. So, if you're a family of 5 or 6, this house is a really good option for you. Even if you're just starting up as a family, napakaganda rin po nito. Ang location po natin, it's Taytay, Rizal, pero napakalapit po natin sa SM Taytay and C6 kung mga nagtatrabaho po kayo sa Taguig, BGC, or Parañaque, lapit po natin sa C6 Road. So, very convenient. This sliding glass door, yan, goes to our alfresco dining. Although open pa siya ngayon, wala pang cover, yun po yung pwede nating i-improve. Lagyan nyo lang po ng, kumbaga, cover to. Napakaganda pong area from the dining going to your alfresco. Yan. Now, going back inside, nandito naman po tayo sa ating kitchen area. Kung mapansin nyo po, magkakadugtong lang po yung ating living area, dining area, and of course, our kitchen area. Ang kagandahan po dito talaga is if you have guests, alam mo yun, you're entertaining them in your living area, pero pwedeng dito ka nagluluto, di ba? Habang nakikipagkwentuhan sa kanila. Yan. For our kitchen, the first thing you'll see is our center island. Yan. Malaking bagay po na may center island kasi yun, nabanggit ko rin dun sa past videos namin, kapag mabilis ang umaga, kung wala kang bar counter type, meron kang ganito, dyan na lang mabilis ang kain, di ba? Pero meron ka pa ring proper kitchen on the back part of the center island. Yan. For our kitchen, we have granite countertops. Tama na po pangalawa ko ng video yan na tama. And then we have our built-in cabinets. Yan. Marami pong cabinets. And then this one, kung maglalagay po kayo ng cooktop dito, at least meron na po kayong exhaust. Yan, may butas na rin kung gumagamit pa rin po kayo ng LPG. Sa ilalim po yung LPG. Although, ang kagandahan po dito, kahit spacious po yung ating kitchen, meron pa rin po tayong service kitchen or service area. Mamaya po, papakita namin. So, yan, this is our double sink and faucet. Yan, left and right. Very useful. Actually, very modern din po. And then, ang napansin ko pong maganda for this kitchen, marami po siyang socket. Even on the other side. Kasi syempre, power supply is really needed in our kitchen. Kasi meron kang air fryer, meron kayong coffee maker, ano ba, microwave oven. Napakarami po natin kailangan paggamitan ng may kuryente. So yan, kompleto po yan. So this is where our refrigerator can be placed. So, kasya yung mga 6-foot ref dito. Although, hindi applicable yung side-by-side kasi baka sumabit na dito sa ating door going towards our service area. Yan. O, di ba? Ang ganda nitong area na to. It's open right now. Kumbaga, wala pa siyang bubong. Pero, very spacious. Ang laki pa po ng potential. Ibig sabihin, we can improve the service kitchen, the dirty kitchen. On the other side, ang ating laundry area. Mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo. Pero kung mapansin nyo po, for our service kitchen, meron din tayong sliding glass windows dito. Ibig sabihin po, kung dito man kayo mag-heavy cooking, madali po, iaabot nyo na lang po dito para siyang restaurant style. Yan. And then, ito pa rin yung pathway papunta dun sa ating alfresco dining kanina. O, di ba? Ang ganda. Parang wala ka sa Taytay lang. Pero Taytay is very convenient or very accessible. Kasi connected na rin siya sa Pasig, connected siya sa papuntang Parañaque, pa South, pa Taguig, pa BGC. Yan. So dito, pwede nyo pong ipa-improve to by, kumbaga magsisemento kayo dito yung laundry area nyo naman, dun sa kabila yung service kitchen or vice versa. Nasa sa inyo na po yun. And then, ito po yung kaninang pathway coming from the front lawn or front garden. Diba? Napakaluwag po ng bahay na to. At bagsak po ng bagsak yung pinto kasi malakas po yung hangin. coming back inside the house, this door right next to the kitchen is our first toilet and bath. Ayan. So, maluwag na rin siya for a toilet and bath. Most likely naman, kasi we have a ground floor bedroom which we will show you. Ito yung gagamitin ng ating guest, or even if you have elderly that will use the ground floor bedroom. Meron tayong shower, bidet, water closet, and of course our sink and faucet. And then for, yan, may nakaabang na rin siya for water heater. Meron din tayong natural exhaust with this windows. Yan. Nothing fancy, pero kumpleto siya. After the first toilet and bath, check natin yung first bedroom. Yan. For our ground floor bedroom, most likely, ito yung, yun nga, elderly room. Or kung hindi nyo naman siya gagamitin as elderly room, pwede rin siyang home office. Ang ano nito siguro mga 2 meters by 3 meters or 3.5. Mga 6 to 8 square meters po ito. So, not too big but not too small. Yan. So, kung meron po kayong helper, pwede rin dito or pwede nyo rin pagawan sa likod. Napakaluwag naman po. Meron po tayong abang for split type AC. And then we have our closet here. Yan. So now let's head into the second floor. Before heading upstairs, there's another room here which can be your storage area, or kung isa lang naman yung helper nyo, kahit single bed siguro, medyo maliit lang siya for staff room, pero kasya pa rin naman yung single bed. Tapos dito yung mga gamit niya. At least she has her own place. Or if not, then this can be your storage room. Very important, storage. Yan. Then, this is our stairs going to the second floor. Ang ganda kasi sa stairs, meron tayong, alam mo yun, glass. Parang big glass windows para at least ang ganda rin nung pasok nung natural light. And then we also have the decorative lighting already. So, welcome to our second floor. Buksan lang natin yung mga ilaw-ilaw natin dyan. Yan. Actually, yung decorative lighting nyo sa inyong stairs, tricolor na siya. Let's check the first bedroom. Yan. 2 meters. Yan. This is our first bedroom here on the second floor. Technically, our second bedroom. Pareho naman yung built-in closet natin. Actually, this is not built-in. It's movable. So, pwede nyo po siyang igalaw or ilipat. The size of the bedroom is about more or less 5 to 6 square meters. Not too big. Pero, lalo kung kids room naman to, pwedeng-pwede na to. If you have multiple kids in a bedroom, pwede ka maglagay ng double deck, di ba? Tapos you have the sliding glass windows here. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda rin naman ng view. Very nature inspired. Yan. So let's head into the second bedroom. Let's head into the second bedroom. Third bedroom. Second bedroom in the second floor. The size of this one is almost identical as the other bedroom. Most likely, mga ganon. 5 to 7 square meters. You also have the same windows that we have on the other one and the same movable closet as the other one. So, parehong-pareho po. So, if you have multiple kids, pwedeng dito yung girls, dun yung boys, kayo na pong mag-decide. Then, they have a common or shared toilet and bath na maluwag. O, diba? Maluwag yung toilet and bath niya. Same finishes as the one downstairs. Idadagdag nyo na lang po, syempre, you know me, the water closet. The shower enclosure. Nawawala pa eh. No? Shower enclosure po para hindi laging makalat or laging basa ang ating toilet and bath. Saan pa ba naman kayo matutulog? Siyempre sa master bedroom. Welcome to our master bedroom. Yan. Diba? Ito medyo maluwag po ito. For yung compared dun sa dalawang bedrooms. This one more or less 4 by 4, mga 16 siguro. 16 to 20 including the toilet and bath. You also have a sliding glass windows here. Yan. Most of the new properties naman, before moving in, nagkakaroon tayo ng punch listing na tinatawag. So, kung may mga kailangan i-retouch, i-repaint, i-repair, yun po yung punch listing. Before moving in, after the approval ng bank or bank guarantee, or kung cash payment po kayo after you paid, the seller will fix everything. That we will check during the punch listing. Yan, meron siyang closet. I think this one's still movable. Pero medyo limited. Pero pwede pa kayong magdagdag dito. If kulang to, dagdagan nyo rito, di ba? Ang luwag na rin. Pwede pa nga kayong maglagay ng ano dito eh. On this side, you can put your makeup area. And then, of course, meron po tayo maluwag na master's toilet and bath. Maluwag po ito. 1.5 by 3 siguro. Yan, mga 5 to 6 square meters. Same finishes as the other one. Doble lang yung windows. That's the main difference. And then dito, isang sink lang pero actually kasha dalawa. Kung gusto nyo i-upgrade na may his and hers or double sink, nasa sa inyo na po yun. Now we're here at yung sinabi ko kanina na family area dito sa ating second floor. Ito po can be your family area. Tapos may massive balcony pa kayo. Meron po kayong glass walls and glass door. Kung ako po tatanungin nyo, I can suggest ipasarado nyo na po, i-all glass nyo na to para ang luwag po ng inyong family area on the second floor. Yan. Ang luwag to And ang kagandahan dito, partially covered, maliit na lang yung open niya. Yung open naman, pwede nyo lagyan ng yung mga clear roofing sheet. So, ang ganda pa ng pwedeng ma-improve natin. Pero, as is lang siya, very, very nice place na to to spend time with your family. Magpapalit kami ni BJ para makita nyo yung background. Isa to sa may pinakamagandang view siguro dito sa Monteverde. Actually, isang bahay na house tour namin before. Ang ganda rin ng view. This one, for its price point and for its down payment, 500,000. Ang ganda na ng view mo. Huwag na po kayo magtatanong kung babaha. Hindi po binabaha dito. Sobrang taas na po ng kumbaga elevation ng mismong property. Yan. Overlooking na po tayo ng Ortigas, BGC. Kita ko pa rin yung Makati. That's Gramercy. Yan. Dati ko po binenta yan. So, yan. Before we head into the final details of the property, I just want to share a question from one of our clients na nagtatanong ng bank financing. Magkano ba daw ang usual interest rate? How long? Ang usual interest rate po ng bangko across the board, it's about 6 to 8%. So safe to say 7%. Maximum loanable po for most banks are 20 years. So, pag tinanong nyo po, 7 times 20, 140%. That's over 20 years naman po. Ibig sabihin po, nagamit nyo na yung bahay without paying for the whole house upfront. Yun po kasi yung cash. Ngayon, sa lahat po, most of our clients go through bank financing. Wala pong masama doon. We will assist you. So, at least po, you have a house that you're living in, like this one, para na lang po kayo nagre-renta sa sarili nyong bahay. Ang kagandahan po nun, after 20 years, ang dami na pong memories na nabuo nyo po with your family on your house. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So this single detached 4-bedroom home is located inside Monteverde Royal in Taytay, Rizal. So this house stands on a 156 square meter lot area with a floor area of 143. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 carport, and a lot of garden area. Ang dami pong open areas na itong bahay na to. And one of the best features is our view behind. Kita po natin ang Ortigas, BGC, and even Makati. So, napakaganda po. Pero, it's still very accessible. Kasi we're about 5 to 10 minutes away from SM Taytay or C6 Road that connects you to Pasig, Taguig, BGC, Parañaque. So, very, very accessible. Yan. And napaka-peaceful po ng bahay na to. The asking price for this property is just 10.8 million pesos, but the best part is the required down payment is just 500,000. Yes, tama po kayo. 500,000 po ulit ang required down payment for this one. Yung una po namin ginawang video na 500,000 down payment, ang bilis pong na benta and it has over 130,000 views na po sa YouTube. So, marami pong salamat. Yan. If you have further questions, please contact us on the number below. And please follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, our YouTube channel. Magpa 5,000 subscribers na po tayo. Medyo nagulat po kami sa growth. Pero marami pong salamat and we appreciate each and every one of you. If you have further questions, yun po, you can reach us through our socials and see you on the next one. Bye!